My baby told me her name before she was born. You're probably wondering how. So was I, until my baby told me her origin story. I had an out-of-body experience one night when I was pregnant.
I saw my Igbo Nigerian ancestor from 800 years ago holding my unborn child, and they were both talking to me with one voice, telling me to name my baby Kamarachizuoroanyi.
I thought it was just a weird dream, so I ignored it. But then, right before I gave birth, my ancestor spoke to me in a voice so clear and penetrating that it frightened me.
She said, "My daughter, please name your child Kamarachizuoroanyi."
I said, I don't understand. Why? What does that name mean? Suddenly, she appeared in the room. Oh, no. Did I make her mad?
But then she smiled and said, "Kamarachizuoroanyi is my name," meaning, let the grace of God be sufficient for us. After birth, Kamarachizuoroanyi told me what it was like on the ancestral plane and then never spoke in the ancestral voice again.